Welcome to XYZ Tech, the go-to channel for the latest in tech and programming. Today, we're diving into the world of advanced coding skills. 2024 is a groundbreaking year for programming techniques and languages. We'll explore the cutting-edge languages that are shaping the future and uncover the next-level programming techniques you need to know. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights. Let's kick things off by discussing why advanced coding skills are more crucial than ever. The tech industry is evolving rapidly, and with it, the demand for skilled programmers. Innovations in technology are opening up new possibilities in coding. Staying ahead of the curve means being proficient in the latest programming languages. But it's not just about knowing the languages, it's about mastering them. We'll look at how these skills can give you a competitive edge in your career. Next, we'll delve into some of the most exciting programming languages of 2024. Languages like Rust, Go, and Kotlin are changing the game. Each of these languages brings unique features and benefits to the table. We'll break down their key characteristics and real-world applications. Understanding these languages can unlock new opportunities in software development. After that, we'll cover advanced programming techniques. These techniques are essential for building efficient, scalable, and secure software. From sophisticated algorithms to high-performance computing, we've got you covered. We'll also discuss the importance of clean code and software maintenance. And we'll see how these practices contribute to successful project outcomes. Stay tuned as we take your coding skills to the next level. Let's dive into the programming languages that are making waves in 2024. First up is Rust, known for its safety and performance. Rust eliminates many common bugs found in other languages. This makes it a top choice for building reliable and efficient systems. Its memory safety features are a game changer in software development. Next, we have Go, or Golang, loved for its simplicity and scalability. Developed by Google, Go excels in building large-scale network servers and distributed systems. Its straightforward syntax and powerful concurrency model make it a favorite. Then there's Kotlin, the modern alternative to Java. Kotlin is gaining popularity for Android app development. Its interoperability with Java and concise syntax are major plus points. It's not just about coding, it's about coding smartly and effectively. These languages are transforming the way we approach problem-solving in coding. Their unique features cater to different needs and projects. From system-level programming to mobile app development, they cover a wide spectrum. Understanding their strengths helps you choose the right tool for the job. But it's not just the languages themselves, it's the ecosystem around them. These languages come with robust frameworks and libraries. This makes development faster, easier, and more efficient. We'll also look at some real-world applications of these languages. From web servers to mobile apps, their impact is far-reaching. Knowing how to leverage these languages can set you apart in the tech world. We're not just coding, we're crafting the future with every line of code. As we continue to explore these languages, remember, the best language is the one that suits your project and your team. Now let's shift our focus to sophisticated programming techniques. In 2024, AI and machine learning are at the forefront of technological advancement. These fields are revolutionizing how we approach problem-solving and data analysis. Understanding AI algorithms is crucial for modern developers. We'll explore how machine learning models are built and trained, and delve into the importance of data pre-processing and feature selection. AI is not just about complex algorithms, it's about making smarter applications. Machine learning enables computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. This has immense applications, from healthcare to finance. But it's not all about AI, let's talk about data analysis. Data is the new gold in the tech world. Effective data analysis is key to unlocking valuable insights from this gold. We'll cover the latest tools and techniques in data analysis, including how to handle large datasets and extract meaningful information. Languages like Python and R are essential in this field. Their powerful libraries and frameworks make data analysis more efficient. These techniques are not just for data scientists. Every developer should have a basic understanding of these concepts. This knowledge can greatly enhance the functionality and impact of your projects. As we delve deeper into these techniques, remember, they are tools to solve problems. The goal is to create solutions that are not only innovative but also practical and user-friendly. Stay engaged as we uncover the immense possibilities that these techniques offer. Embrace the challenge and be ready to transform the way you think about coding. The future is bright for those who are willing to learn and adapt. Clean code is the foundation of efficient software development. It's not just about writing code, it's about writing readable and maintainable code. Good code is like a well-written book, it's easy to understand and follow. Adhering to coding standards and best practices is essential. This not only makes your code more robust, but also easier for others to work with. Next, let's talk about software maintenance. Developing software is just the beginning, maintaining it is equally important. Regular updates and bug fixes keep software functional and secure. Effective maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your software. Now, onto the crucial aspect of continuous learning. The tech world is always evolving, and so should you. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is key to success. Continuous learning helps you adapt to new challenges and opportunities. It's about having a growth mindset in a constantly changing industry. Resources like online courses, webinars, and tech conferences are invaluable. Engaging with the developer community can also enhance your learning. Remember, your journey as a developer is never complete. There's always something new to learn, something more to achieve. As you grow, you not only improve your skills but also contribute to the tech community. Stay curious, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Your growth as a developer is a testament to your passion and dedication. Advanced coding skills are a gateway to remarkable career opportunities. In 2024, the demand for skilled programmers has skyrocketed. Companies are on the lookout for developers who can navigate complex tech landscapes. Mastering advanced programming languages sets you apart in the job market. It's not just about getting a job, it's about shaping your career path. These skills open doors to roles in emerging tech fields like AI and big data. Let's talk about the future of technology and your role in it. The tech industry is a driving force in the global economy. Developers are the architects of this digital revolution. Your skills contribute to creating innovative solutions and technologies. The impact of your work extends beyond the screen. From healthcare to education, your code can make a difference. Embracing the challenges of advanced coding leads to personal and professional growth. It's about being a lifelong learner and a problem solver. As technology evolves, so does the role of the developer. You're not just writing code, you're creating the future. The possibilities are limitless for those who are prepared to seize them. As we conclude, let's reflect on the key takeaways from our journey. Advanced coding skills are more than technical prowess, they're a way to innovate and impact. Embracing new languages and techniques is essential in staying relevant. But remember, it's not just about the code, it's about the community. The developer community plays a pivotal role in learning and growth. Sharing knowledge, collaborating on projects, and networking are invaluable. Your journey in coding is enriched by the experiences of those around you. Engage with forums, attend meetups, and contribute to open-source projects. These interactions not only enhance your skills but also your perspective. And finally, a call to action for all our viewers. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep challenging yourself. Your journey in coding is unique and full of potential. Remember, every line of code you write is a step towards the future. So, keep coding, keep creating, and keep making a difference. We hope this video has inspired you to take your coding skills to new heights. Thank you for joining us at XYZ Tech. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with others. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology and coding. And remember, the future is coded by you.